pulled out this old set of FKs. I hit them with some brake clean and some WD-40, letting them soak up. I'm gonna like wash them with a hose tomorrow, get all that dirt off them, and then hit them with WD-40 again. I think that should do the trick. Maybe hit them with like a brush or something. Yep. So I've been cleaning these up. I've used up a can of WD-40 already, and I'm just rotating them every few hours and soaking the collars with a liquid wrench. And hopefully we'll be able to throw these on pretty soon. Alright guys, today's the day. Just gonna make a quick stop for air. We're gonna head over to Mark's and get this thing low. Alright, so made it to Mark's in one piece. Had some pretty bad rubs with some bad bumps on the way, but no terrible damage as yet, but I mean, looking at it now, maybe I shouldn't even lower it. Yeah, you gotta lower it. That's so weird. This side looks like way higher. Cool. Mark, what year is this thing at? Mark's doing pretty good here. I got one strut out, coilover in, and now we're gonna roll this flat. Yeah, see how there's a gap? We're gonna push that flat. So this has to be pushed all the way to here. This is the flare. So we're just heating it up with a heat gun and rolling it flat against this. Fun stuff.
Take feel.
Oh wow.
It's not bad, given it was.
Oh wow.
It was wavy before.
Oh wow.
It was wavy from the old wood trick, but I don't need that much clearance for what I'm running. So. I gotta go just help match a little better. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do this side. I gotta see if I get the. Or put your to match with the 10. The hub should be more than 10 mil. Like the hub ring, right?
Now he just has the rears to do, and good job, man.
The hub ring, yours now. Did you lower the coil?
Oh man, that's
I didn't touch the coil.
that looks so good. There's like barely any. And this is with a 10 mil spacer. It's how close he got it?
Let's see how it goes down the road.
Oh man.
Just too much.
Yeah, that's pretty close. I like it. Let's take a step back. Yeah, that looks great. All right, so here we are after Mark's had to come home because we were running out of time. The rears, I think, are set fine, but the fronts, we're kind of monster trucking. We got to drop it about 1.5 inches. Collars are seized up all around, but I think the fronts, I have freed. If you could look, all I had to do was hit it with the super soaker here. And the thing is, with rust, not only do you have to hit it this way to loosen, but you also have to hit it the other way to tighten, and then kind of just work it back and forth with the super soaker. Shout outs to Costco. And handy dandy, what do you call it, flathead screwdriver. I was just using this hammer, but if you have like a bigger weight hammer, would be even better. But yeah, just keep on working it back and forth, spraying it, hitting it, hit it with a screwdriver, hit it with the wrench, hammer the wrench going either side, and eventually you'll get them free. All right, after hours and hours of constant hammering and greasing and heat, you can see the collar's a little knackered on this side. This side was kind of hard. I was just gonna give up and take it off the car and get it unseized outside of the car, but I realized I didn't have an 18 mil open wrench, and so my stubborn ass just started like hammering away. I had to switch up though to my neighbor's mini sledgehammer, so I ran over. Shout outs to Peter next door for having this, and a chisel instead of this screwdriver to you know, make new notches on the broken notches. So collar's a little rough now on this side, but they still work. They spin freely now. Let me demonstrate. Yeah, it doesn't have anywhere to bite to sometimes on some of the teeth, but they do spin freely. See that? Yep. Yep. So that's that. See all that dirt in there? I mean, right thing to do would be to disassemble and do a thorough cleaning, but I'm just gonna like use like this pick to you know. All right, here she is without the caps. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you think below in the comments. I just took it to the bank and back. No rubs. I'm pretty happy with that. So again, it's a pinky gap on all 4 corners. Still pretty capable. I like it a lot. I do scrape now going up the driveway though, but I can still clear it, no problem. Thanks for watching. Until next time, set yourselves apart. Peace.